अगर आपने कभी यूपीआई यूज किया है तो आपने फोन पे कभी ना कभी तो यूज किया ही होगा। बट व्हाट डज इट्स आईपीओ मीन फॉर द फिनटेक इंडस्ट्री? अब वॉलमार्ट की इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है फोन पे में। वेल, लेट्स फाइंड आउट। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू इंडिया आईपीओ। This is your host and dost Shreyansh. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated IPOs of the year, PhonePe's stock market debut. अगर आपने कभी यूपीआई यूज किया है तो आपने फोन पे कभी ना कभी तो यूज किया ही होगा। बट व्हाट डज इट्स आईपीओ मीन फॉर द फिनटेक इंडस्ट्री? वेल, लेट्स फाइंड आउट। अब थोड़ा फोन पे की हिस्ट्री में चलते हैं। देखिए, PhonePe was founded in 2016 and quickly became India's leading digital platforms backed by Walmart. PhonePe dominated the UPI market with a staggering 48.4% market share as of January 2025. It serves over 590 million registered users and more than 40 million merchants across India. But now, the company is taking the big leap by going for an initial public offering, that is IPO. This means the PhonePe will list its share on stock exchange, allowing the public to invest in its growth. कंपनी के ग्रोथ रेट की बात करें तो इन द लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2024, PhonePe reported a consolidated revenue of rupees 5,064 crore, marking a 73.8% increase from 2,914 crore rupees in financial year of 2023. कंपनी के प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पे नजर डालें तो PhonePe achieved profitability for the first time in financial year of 2024 with a consolidated profit before employee stock options of rupees 1,970 crore compared to the loss of rupees 7,380 crore in the previous financial year. Talking about their number of employees over time, in April 2022, PhonePe ने अपना प्लान अनाउंस किया था that they want to double their employee strength. In October 2024, the company had 970 employees, reflecting a 68.6% increase from October 2023. अब Walmart की इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है PhonePe में। In March 2023, Walmart invested $200 million in PhonePe at a pre-money valuation of $12 billion. स्टेक रिडक्शन की बात करें तो Walmart's शेयर होल्डिंग इन PhonePe decreased from 89% to approximately 85% by April 2023. Following new share issuances during PhonePe's fundraising efforts, Walmart also promoted PhonePe picks for iBanks to kick off their mega IPO. They are eyeing up for $15 billion valuation. These developments underscore PhonePe's rapid growth, strategic expansion of its workforce, and with the continued support from Walmart, the positioning of the company is becoming strong in India's fintech landscape. While the exact IPO date is not officially announced, reports suggest करते हैं that their process will start in March 2025. This IPO could be one of the biggest fintech listing in the country. But why now? What's the strategy behind this IPO? देखिए, main reason for PhonePe's IPO is that they want to raise their funds through an IPO which are completely mortgage and interest free. And also, this IPO will help them to increase their credibility as well as the publicity that will result in competitive edge with Paytm, Google Pay and other emerging players. चलिए अब चलते हैं PhonePe के प्लानिंग्स की ओर एंड क्या करेंगे ये IPO से फंड रेज करके। नंबर 1, कैपिटल फॉर एक्सपेंशन. They want to enhance their UPI, credit and insurance offerings. Number 2, tech and innovation. यानी investing in AI-driven financial services that will make them unique in the market. Last but not least, regulatory compliance, strengthening its position in the banking ecosystem. So, इनकी प्लानिंग से आप देख सकते हो कि PhonePe कितना क्लियर और वेल प्लान्ड है अपने फ्यूचर को लेके। सो इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट दैट आपकी कंपनी भी मॉर्गेज फ्री और इंटरेस्ट फ्री फंड रेज करना चाहती है, डू कॉन्टैक्ट इंडिया आईपीओ और लेटेस्ट आईपीओ अपडेट्स के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इंडिया आईपीओ।